If you want to get that massive hair growth, then you need to watch this video to the end, because today I made purple leaf oil. Yes, I'm going to show you step by step on how I made this oil. This is purple leaf. Yes, though I have the tree in my compound, so I took some leaves, yes, to make this purple leaf oil for massive hair growth. So the first thing I need to do is to wash my purple leaf. Yes, I need to wash it so that I will not have any sand inside it. Yes, purple leaf help for massive hair growth, for dandruff, yes, for breakage. Oh my goodness, if you want your hair to be fuller, longer, soft, you need to get this. Yes, so this is the purple leaf, and I know a lot of you guys don't know what purple leaf is. This is how it is. Yes, get this, then you wash it. After washing your purple leaf, make sure there is no sand. Yes, the benefit of washing this purple leaf is that to make sure that I have no sand. Like you can see, sand is under it. Yes, so that's the main reason why I wash it, so that the leaf will be clean from sand. After washing your purple leaf, the next thing you need to do is to bring it out from the water and put it in a pot. After putting it in a pot, then before you add this oil, make sure that you gently squeeze out this purple leaf. Yes, squeeze it out a little bit to come out like this before you add any oil of your choice. I use Pears oil. I choose using Pears oil because it is lightweight, it helps to moisturize the hair, it helps to reduce dryness, it keeps the hair soft, and it works well. Yes, well as a carrier oil for infusing the purple leaf. So next thing I have to do is to heat the mixture on a low heat. After some minutes, for like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, bring it down on fire, allow it to cool. Yes, allow it to cool. Then when it's cool, then you squeeze out the leaf thoroughly to extract as much infused oil as possible. Yes, you're going to squeeze it out now, to squeeze out both the oil, everything. Yes, the ingredients, you have to squeeze. Then after squeezing, this is what you will get. You have to do now is to place it back on fire. Yes, I'm going to place it back on fire, allow it to boil. Yes, this is how it's going to be. It's going to be on fire for some time, for like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. How you place it back on fire is that if there is any water, remaining water, it will dry and oil will just come out. Yes, so this is it. This is how it looks like after, for like 15 minutes. This is how it is. So you're going to sieve this out, sieve it out, so that your purple leaf oil will be ready for use. I use this oil for my hair. It grows the hair. If you have dandruff, it helps for anti-dandruff. So this is what I got, exactly the measurement of the oil that I added. That is the exact amount of the purple leaf oil that I got. Can you see it, guys? So this oil is very nice. If you want that massive hair growth, if you want fuller hair, less breakage or more, get this particular oil. Yes, you need to do this remedy. You need to try this DIY. Yes.